In this example, we will see how to use Custom RGB Matching. This feature is useful for RGB textures that use custom routing and specific channel connections, such as textures coming from external libraries. Here, we have an example with ambient occlusion, roughness, and metalness packed into a single texture. By default, Arnold cannot detect this configuration automatically, so we need to define the connections manually. Here, we have 3 objects, each with its own texture set. I start by selecting the first object. On the red channel, I assign ambient occlusion. On the green channel, I assign roughness. On the blue channel, I assign metalness. I click Add to validate. Then I select the second object. All settings are preserved. I click Add. Then I select the third object and click Add. All objects are now configured. I keep alpha luminance disabled. Then I select base color and normal, which are the other required textures, since I'm working with multiple elements. I switch to batch mode. I select the main folder and its subfolders. MapFlow automatically detects the 3 subfolders and matches them to the correct objects. The indicators confirm that everything is recognized correctly. Since this is textile material, I also enable a light SSS. I use the base color as the SSS color. Now I click Build All Channel Shaders. All shaders are automatically connected. In this example, ambient occlusion is mixed with the color, roughness is correctly assigned to the green channel, and metalness to the blue channel. All textures are loaded correctly. And now, when I launch an Arnold render, everything works perfectly. Enjoy!